Hello guys, I'm Imtiaz and you guys are welcome to Beautiful the channel. Learning science is fun. So finally after a long time I am with you with meiosis. Today we'll be doing meiosis of ICSE class 10th biology, cell cycle and cell division. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Another thing, very important point, so if you like the video, do like, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to do something good for your friends, do share it for your friends. So let's get started. So meiosis occurs where it occurs in the reproductive cells like sperm cells, egg cells. But mitosis, what happens? Let me give you an overview of mitosis at first. So here mitosis, what happened actually? Mitosis, as you have seen, it was 2n that is deployed to deployed, that is 2n will give you 2n 2n, that's equal division of chromosomes. Okay guys, so if it is 46 over here also it will give 46, here also it will be giving 46. Now if we consider meiosis, what happens? इधर से चले आइए सब, देखो meiosis में क्या होता है. So meiosis, first of all, it was 2n. Okay, 2n gives you n, so at its first stage the chromosome number gets halved and then it gets equally distributed. Okay, so from one cell you are getting how many cells? You are getting 4 cells. At first 2n deployed forms haploid and haploid, then haploid and haploid, haploid and haploid. Here if it is for boring color, so here this is the 46, then here it will give you 23. Here also it will be giving you 23. Here it will be giving 23. Here you will be getting 23, 23 and 23. So hope you have understood the basic concept of these meiosis. Now this stage, wait, let me draw a circle. This stage, the first stage, this stage is known as meiosis 1, and this stage, the division, again the second division, is known as meiosis 2. Now as we have seen in mitosis, what happened there? At first let me delete this. Okay. So meiosis, actually we have seen how many, 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. If you haven't seen that lecture, do watch it. I'll be giving in the I button and the end screen as well. So description also I'll be trying to give the link. So now see the mitosis. Let me tell you once more what is mitosis. What you have seen in the first stage, in the prophase, they get condensed. Okay, they formed egg-shaped structures. Chromosomes forms egg-shaped structures. Okay, next step, what happened? Centrioles come over here. Centrioles come over here, and this forms equatorial plates. The chromosomes forms equatorial plate. अरे ये तो सेल से बाहर चला जा रहा है. So it is equatorial plate, and then what happened? And then this centrioles produces spindle fibers on the centromere. Okay, that is in metaphase. Okay, so hope you have remembered all these things. So if you one important thing I will tell here, रटना नहीं है ये सब. Don't memorize all these things, don't mug up. Memorize will be, you will be able to mug up when you revise these things. So understand the basic things and then revise it. Revise it, how much time you, how many times you can, it will be automatically mug up. Okay, so it was a bonus tip, so do it, don't mug up, then you will forget everything. So here it was prophase, this was metaphase, and anaphase. What happened? The centrioles pulled the centromere, centrioles pulled the centromere. Okay, Okay, so here what you are getting, this is your anaphase. Anaphase, what is happening, this egg shape, so this is getting divided. Okay, this is getting halved. Okay, so half going this side, so total, as you can see, four new things are produced, four new chromosomes are produced, as you can say, four new chromosomes are produced. Okay, see over here, one chromosome, another chromosome, another chromosome, and another chromosome. So four chromosomes are produced. So from two chromosomes you are getting how many? Four chromosomes. Two chromosomes were there. Okay, two chromosomes were there. Now you are getting four chromosomes. Okay, so as we can see from here that 2:4, that is why we can say, sorry, we can say 1:2. It's for your understanding, don't write till the 21. Okay, so 1:2 we are getting. So this, from here we can understand that one forms two cells. So one cell divides into two cells. Hope the basic concept of mitosis you have understood, revised. Okay, now what happened in the next stage, in finally the telophase. Telophase, the nucleus gets divided with two chromosomes each, and finally in the, this is telophase, and finally in the your cytokinesis, what happened, two new cells are produced with two, sorry, with two chromosomes each. Okay, hope you have remembered all these things, and this is a very important point of all these things. So now if we come to this, okay, now as you can see over here, this is a 46x, then it forms 23, 23, then 23, 23, 23, 23. Hope you have understood this very well. Now as I have told you, there are stages. Okay, in the prophase is meiosis 1, meiosis 2. I have told you that in the first stage 2n divides into nn, that is meiosis 1, then nn divides into another 4 n's, that is the meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, what happened, there are again four stages, as you have in the mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, but they are known as prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Meiosis 2, what happens, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Okay guys, now you can see here, these things are pretty easy things. See, metaphase, meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis, but meiosis 1, what happened, homologous chromosome, new terms come, let's see it. Okay, this is an overview. Homologous chromosomes. Okay, homologous pairs are formed. I think you know what is homologous. Let me tell you if you don't know. अरे यार, okay guys, just leave it. Okay, let me do over here only. So what happened here, see what I was telling. Yes, homologous chromosomes. See, this is two homologous chromosomes. So homologous chromosomes, they will have same number of genes in them. Okay, for now you understand that same number of genes. You will be understanding this very well, what is genes and the position. This will be discussing more about this on genetics chapter. Now as you can see here, this is centromere. The centromere will be at the same location, and there will be same number of genes. Hope you have understood the concept of homologous chromosomes. Okay, so here homologous chromosomes, that's the main difference between mitosis meiosis. So meiosis 1, meiosis 2 I have told similar to mitosis, but meiosis 1, it is having homologous chromosomes. So prophase 1, prophase, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 2. As you can see overview, now we'll be discussing all this in great details. So let's get started. So prophase 1, as you can see, chromosomes condense and thicken. Same thing happened, the chromosomes, they condense and thicken, and the homologous chromosomes are formed. That's, they formed homologous pairs. Now you might be thinking, so what is this? What is this? What is this, bro? These are nothing but these are the here crisscross. Okay, crossing over takes place in this prophase 1. Let me discuss about this. Crossing over takes place between two sister chromatids. Sister chromatids you might be knowing. This is the non-sister chromatids, and see, these two sister chromatids here, they are homologous pairs, the forms pairs. Now the genes get transferred. the genes get transmitted. This is the thing. As you can see, the genes get transmitted. Okay, from the coloring picture you might be, let me tell you. Okay, so what happened over here? Okay, so what happened over there is nothing but pretty easy thing. What I was saying, no, zero, that one, crossing over. See, two chromosomes over here, they are in pairs. Now this portion, as you can see, these two portions, these gets they gets transferred. Okay, this is one and this is one. Okay, so this is the portion, this portion, this portion. Okay, I'm magnifying it. Now these gets this one transferred to this one and this gets transferred to this one. Okay, now let me draw it with color wise. So if this where the both the chromosomes, as you can see, both are having dependent, but after non-sister chromatid, what happened? See, here somewhat like this, but here what happened? Okay, so they get somewhat like this, and the next one also, this gets transferred to this. So the genes are transferred now. Now you have, I think that you guys have understood it because you are a talented person. So this is the crossing over. So let's devise its prophase one. What happened that chromosomes condensed and thickened, मतलब वो एक सब स्ट्रक्चर्स फॉर्म किया, फिर क्रोमोसोम्स, होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स मतलब पेयर अभी तक अभी समझे. Right now only I have told you. So homologous chromosomes are formed and then crossing over takes place between two sister chromatids. Hope you have understood the crossing over very well. This is prophase one. Now metaphase one, what happened? Recombinant chromosomes pairs are arranged along the equator or middle of the cell. Means, see, as the same thing happened in mitosis. What happened? The equatorial plate is formed. Okay, equatorial plate is formed, and along the equator or middle, this is known as equatorial plate or also known as metaphase plate. Okay, now as we can see, homologous pairs are formed. Okay, previously what was happening in mitosis, only single, means a single chromosome, not pairs, but here homologous pairs. I have told you in the beginning only, this is the main difference here. All the meiosis one will be homologous chromosome. So this is the metaphase one, very important easy thing, and the centrioles over here are producing spindle fibers. Now anaphase one, same thing happening, but here as long as the 4 chromosomes are going. Okay, here what is happening? 4 chromosomes. In the mitosis, what happened? Two chromosomes means chromatid, means one chromatid goes, but here you can see 2 chromatids are going, means total chromosome 2 chromosomes are going. Okay, that's because there was homologous pairs. So here how many were there? 1 2 1 2. So total was 4 was there. So 1 2 1 2, 2 goes this side, 2 goes this side. Hope you understood like this. Let me tell you like this. So these were in pairs. So this first this two, this is one chromosome and this is one chromosome, 2 chromatids are there, this goes one side, this goes one side. Okay, hope you've understood right now. So what happened? These things happen. Homologous chromosomes are separated and pulled away by spindle fibers. Okay, now the final step of meiosis one, not final step, karyokinesis is final step. That is, the karyokinesis is what you might be knowing. There is a nuclear division, the nucleus divides. Okay, as you can see, the nucleus is going to divide. So nuclei begin to reform. 2 more nucleus are formed and prepares to become 2 new cells. Very important easy thing. Now cytokinesis, as you can see, 2 new daughter cells are finally produced. Cytoplasm speeds up into 2 new cells with 23 chromosomes each. Okay, so 46 divided in 23 and 23. Now if you consider meiosis 2, as here you can see 2 are produced. Now in prophase 2, what will happen? Again this 2 will divide into 2 more. Now see, prophase 2, chromosomes appear condensed and thickened, spindle fiber begin to form. Same thing as in the mitosis happened, but here 2 things will be there, I mean 2 cells will be there. Previously it will happen in 1 cell, but in meiosis 2 it will happen in 2 cells, because you need to divide these 2 cells into more 4 cells. Okay, so spindle fibers begin to form, and these are the, now might be thinking, sir, it was in the prophase 1, now how prophase 2 also it is happening? Arey yaar, these cells are only to this cell, so it is already in the prophase 1 only. This crossing over has taken place, so now right now also it will be there. Okay, now see metaphase 2, what happened? Same thing. It is equatorial plate is formed, chromosomes line up in the middle of the cellular equatorial plate, and this forms spindle fibers, the centromere. Okay, now as you can see these pictures, they are single, as in the single of one chromosome, as you have seen in the mitosis. Okay, and now in anaphase 2, similar thing, chromatids are pulled away by the spindle fibers, that is they are pulling. As you can see, beautiful animations are there, the pictures are there, as you can see. If possible, I will give you animation of mitosis, meiosis, everyone, okay, in upcoming videos. So anaphase 2, now telophase 2, finally it divides into four more cells. See, when the nuclei begin to reform, the two cells prepare to divide into a total of 4 new cells. Finally, cytokinesis 2 take place. 4 new daughter cells with 23 chromosomes each. These daughter cells become the sperm cells in male and egg cells in female. So these two, as you can see here, 2 are there and they are dividing. So this forms 2 and this forms 2. So total 4 things are formed. This is the pretty easy thing I have told you very much fast, I think. Now, if you understood, yeah, if you haven't understood, see it in a low speed. Okay, so let me revise it once more. Let me go to paint and let me revise it once more. The complete. This way, I think mitosis also you have understood very well. If you haven't, do watch it, or if you have, or you might comment me. If I get many comments, severely I will make another video on that. Okay, so after completing all these things, I will make a one-shot video of cell cycle cell division. So just wait for it. You'll be getting revision of the full chapter. Now see, so what happened? Two chromosomes. Sorry. So what happened? These things are happening. Crossing over takes place. Two chromosomes are formed. See, I am talking with one chromosomes, and this is another chromosome. Okay, homologous pairs are formed in prophase 1. Next, what happened in metaphase 1? Then let me tell you from there only. ड्राइंग करने जाएंगे तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, ठीक है, तो एनिमेशन से ही बता देते हैं, स्लाइड शो से. So what happened? Let me revise you from the first. So it occurs in the reproductive cell like sperm selection. This I am sure that you have understood very well. These are the stages and the overview meiosis. Now prophase 1, what happened? These what happened? The crossing over takes place. Genes get transferred between two chromosomes, and what happened? They form homologous pairs. Next, metaphase 1, what happened? Recombinant chromosome pairs are arranged along the equator, that is they form the equatorial plate. But here also you can see there are homologous pairs. Anaphase 1, what happened? The spindle fibers pulls them. Now you can see here 2 chromosomes are there, 2 chromosomes each. So now again you can see 2 chromosomes, 2 chromosomes, 2 chromosomes, 2 chromosomes. So how many will be formed? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will be formed. Okay, so 8 chromosomes means 8 in total will be formed. So how 8? So 1 will give you 1, 1, and another. So one cell had to produce how many? 1, 2, then again 1, 2, and 1, 2. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 cells. So here we'll be getting this. Now nuclei begin to reform. Prepares to become 2 new cells. So they forms new cells. There's a final stage of karyokinesis. Then what happens? Cytokinesis 1. This 2 new daughter cells are produced with 23 chromosomes each. So this gets halved, 46 forms for 23, 23. Next, prophase 2, what happens? This again egg-shaped structures are formed. Spindle fibers begin to form. Then they put in metaphase 2, they come in equatorial plate, and they form spindle fibers on them. Then anaphase 2, what happens? They are pulled by the spindle fiber, and then telophase 2, again they divide, their nucleus divides, and cytokinesis finally. Two more chromosomes are finally formed with 23 chromosomes each. Okay, not 23 doesn't get halves again. Okay, so n and n will give you n and n. So n again will give you n and n. Okay, so 23 will give you 23 and 23. So hope right now you have understood the full chapter. So if you like the video, give a like. If you have any doubt, I will be giving my Instagram link in the description. Do ask me over there. I will obviously give you a reply. So if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe and share the video to do something good for your friends as well. So for today this much, let's meet in the next video.